I feel like you have to have a taco if you're going to do a Tex-Mex painting series, so that's what I'm going to paint today. And I'm using my Semel Art sketchbook, and it's approximately 4 inches by 4 inches, so it's a tiny painting. And this is part of my tiny Tex-Mex painting series that I'm doing to celebrate Texas and Mexican culture. And I started it and kicked it off for World Watercolor Month. So you see me here sketching, and really it's just a line with a half circle on top. That's the basic of the taco shell. And then I added a little loop on one side and just a little bit of space. You see me kind of going over it with the brush pen right here. And that's so that I can put taco stuff in it, like the cheese, the lettuce, tomatoes, and meat. So I'm using my pencil art brush pen here for that. And these are my Daniel Smith watercolor paints. And the thing about watercolor is you paint in layers, or typically you paint in layers because it's, in general, a transparent medium. And I am just adding that first layer to get myself going. And now we're going to add the ground beef. And I'm using a mixture of Moonglow and Terra Aircolano. And again, I'm going to go back and add another layer because it doesn't really look, it just looks very flat right now. And we have to give it more texture, more depth, more dimension. And I'm using Pyrrole Orange and Lemon Yellow to create the cheese. And for the tomatoes, I used Pyrrole Scarlet. And here you see me going in with a second layer, and I just tried to be kind of splotchy with it and letting the layers of color work together. And I'm not trying to make sure that it's going all the way to the edges. I do like to leave a little bit of negative space. I think it adds interest to the piece. And I'm trying to add different colors because it makes creates like a shadow, and it's going to look more like a taco shell. I'm not a realistic artist, of course, but I feel like it adds interest to the piece and makes it look more like what I'm trying to paint. And after I do all that, I'm adding in the lettuce, and I'm just using a green color. I forget the name of it, but I'm putting the green anywhere that the cheese and tomato is not. So I'm just kind of filling in the space with that green color and not trying to overdo it. And I'm not doing a specific brush stroke or anything like that. It's really just kind of what I call scumbling, where like how I make my evergreen trees. It's just kind of scribbling really with the paintbrush. And I'm just making little marks, trying not to overdo it, trying not to overwork it. And I'm not certainly not striving for perfection or realism or anything. Just trying to have fun and take a little time to relax. And the thing about my schedule, sometimes I have like a full hour to paint. Hello, Captain. Sometimes I have a full hour or something to paint. Sometimes I just have 20 minutes. And so if I have little pockets of time, I might go set up my area, get out my paints, and start the sketch, kind of think of what I'm going to do, So I'm kind of like y'all sometimes. I don't always have time to just sit and paint all day, although I wish I did. That would be fun. And something different that I'm doing with this particular painting is I brought out my colored pencils. I have Prismacolor pencils and the Lyra brand of colored pencils, and I'm just adding more texture to the piece and kind of making some outlines or more scribbles really to create different depth and dimension to the taco. Oh, and I took some Moonglow and I added some water to it so it'd be a really light value, and I'm adding a shadow to the left side and then underneath the taco. And y'all, this is really about it. So this piece was fun. Let's talk about painting, if you will. There's tons of puns that I could do with this, and I think puns are so funny. They're so punny. Anyways, I really do appreciate you guys coming and joining me in my studio today and painting along with me and supporting the channel in all the ways that you do. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you find this painting fun and relaxing. And if you try it, let me know. I'd love to see what you're doing. Don't forget, tag me. Tag me on social media. I'd love to see what you're working on. So thank you again for joining me, and I hope you come back soon to paint with me again. We'll have another tiny Tex-Mex painting tomorrow, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.